y'all heard what's going on over there. What y'all thinking?
Oh, dude, you got him killed, man.
Hands down.
It's a whole different party.
It's a whole different party.
Yeah.
It
So,
ain't
you know,
even, he's in my league. He ain't in this league.
You gotta go to California to get your shit right.
well, you know, since I install my own music, you know, I got to be the flagship of my company. Just let you see what I see as y'all see it in my videos. And, you know, I'm showing you just how I come to do
But
it.
they doing the shit out of a one-car garage.
Yeah. Just watch my videos. I ain't hard to find, you know. At the lowest level, I'm making it happen, you know. I don't need no major overhead. Less overhead. Just me operating doing it. You know, I ain't got to share nothing with nobody.
That's the hardest hitting shit I heard.
I mean, it just blew me away right there.
Oh, yeah,
But,
you know.
I definitely
But you know what, though? West Coast do everything big.
Yeah.
What? They don't do it all big, man. I came over here to get some ideas, man.
Candy shop is bad.
Oh, Candy? Punching them, no doubt.
But I'm here to tell.
Bay Area, sir.
Bay Area, okay.
Like, I'm here to tell. I'm here to tell Big Punchy. Big Money Rob got him.
All I can say is, really, really, you know.
A lyrical songwriter, and he can sing. Bringing in money like raking in.
Hold the coat in the street. Kelly, man.
We're having a ball,
We're having a ball, man. Some of us go to the South Sea. Man, it's a beautiful thing.
Where you gonna take that picture?
What's up, man? How y'all doing?
Take you all around.
Huh?
You wanna take that picture?
What picture you want to take?
Group picture.
Well, whatever.
We all here right now.
Okay, we'll get down. What? Y'all here? Y'all here? That's right. Hey, man, y'all in there? That's what I'm talking about. Hey. Man, who it be, baby? What's up, man? How you doing, man? Yeah, Joe. That's right. And we gonna see it all, baby. Yeah. All in the house. Yeah. That part right there.
Bike getting a hand grenade.
Oh, you saw that, huh? Yeah, with the self-destruction? Yeah.
Oh, man.
So, man, where you from, my brother?
I'm really from Baltimore,
Uh-huh.
but I'm here down in Stockbridge.
So you be watching me on the YouTube
all
and
the
stuff?
time. You and Sel, man.
So you enjoy the videos?
Always.
Okay, hey, what you think about Tank TV?
Oh, awesome, man.
Informative information with a little comedy thrown up in there.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a little variety, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Man, it's great.
So we just love doing what we do, me, Sel, and everybody else.
Yeah.
Everybody has showed me much love this weekend, let me know they appreciate what I'm doing.
Always.
And you know, some people say I'm giving away too much information.
Nah.
I'm just like, man, I'm letting you see what I see. So I ain't scared.
That's
You
right.
know,
Hey,
each one teach one.
There you
That's
go.
how I look at it.
There you go.
You know?
Keep it going, man.
All right, for sure, man. Nice meeting you, my
Nice
brother.
meeting you, man.
All right, for sure.
Yeah.
All right, you have a good weekend, bro.
you too.
We're going to be out here tonight. We're going to show and prove again.
Oh, yeah.
Let 'em hear it
Definitely.
loud and clear. That part right there.
Money Rob,
Oh,
stereo.
yeah. Oh, for sure.